Prior to lifting a load, you must find out what it weighs. You can do this by reading the load markings. Calculate the weight of the load. Delivery paperwork. Weigh the load. Check inventory systems. A key concept you must understand is the load center distance. The distance from the vertical face of the fork arms to the load center of gravity. When lifting a load properly, it is vital that you have the tines go all the way into the load. The load should sit hard up against the heel of the fork arms, without the load securely positioned. The forklift's capacity will be reduced and stability may be affected. Australian pallets are most commonly 1,200 mm by 1,200 mm approximate in size. The most common load center distance that a forklift in Australia is rated at is 600 mm. The point of balance or fulcrum on a forklift is where the front tires touch the ground. In the forklift assessment, you will be asked to calculate the weights of different loads. For each calculation, you must also show how you worked out the answer. Let's go through a few examples. You have to move a load of 44 bags of flour on a pallet. Each bag weighs 25 kilograms. The pallet weighs 35 kilograms. So we have 44 bags each weighing 25 kilograms would be 44 times 25 equals 1,100 kilograms. But we can't forget the weight of the pallet as well. So the total weight of the 44 bags is 1,100 kilograms plus the pallet, which weighs 25 kilograms. 1,100 kilograms plus 25 kilograms equals 1,135 kilograms. There is a load to be moved. The load is stacked cartons on a pallet. 4 cartons per layer. 6 layers high. The pallet weighs 15 kilograms. Each carton weighs 25 kilograms. So first, let's work out how many cartons we have. 4 cartons per layer, stacked 6 layers high. 4 times 6 equals 24 cartons in total. Each carton weighs 25 kilograms. So 24 cartons times 25 kilograms each equals 600 kilograms. Now we add our pallet, which weighs 15 kilograms, making the total weight of the load 615 kilograms. There is a load to be moved. It is a pallet of stacked drums. 4 drums on the pallet. Each drum weighs 213 kilograms. The pallet weighs 35 kilograms. So the drums in total weigh 4 times 213 kilograms equals 852 kilograms. The drums plus the pallet have a total weight of 887 kilograms. So 852 kilograms for the drums plus the pallet, which weighs 35 kilograms, equals 887 kilograms in total. The 3 forklifts above are all rated at 2,000 kilograms, with a 600 mm load center distance. Which one is unsafely carrying a load outside of the rated lifting capacity? So if our load center distance is 600 mm, both forklifts picture B and C can safely lift that load. However, forklift A cannot safely lift the load. Look at the data plate to answer the following questions. Can a load weighing 1575 kilograms with a load center distance of 700 mm be safely raised by the forklift truck above? No. The load center distance is longer than the maximum allowed. Can a load weighing more than 1,575 kilograms be safely raised by the forklift above? No. 1575 kilograms is the maximum allowed. You have to lift a load. You must tilt the mast forward. What is the rated lifting capacity with the mast tilted forwards? 900 kilograms. You have to lift a load. You can use the mast vertically. What is the rated lifting capacity if the mast can remain vertical? 1,575 kilograms. For each load below, complete the required calculations and/or reasoning to determine whether the load is safe to lift. Load 1. A container containing a 6,500 kilograms load. Note, the tare weight on the container is 2,200 kilograms. The container size is 2.6 meters wide, 2 meters high, and 3.4 meters long. Is the load safe to lift? No. The forklift load center B is 915 millimeters, which is greater than the load center of this forklift. Load 2. The empty container outlined in load 1. No. The forklift load center B is 915 millimeters, which is greater than the load center of this forklift. Load 3. A pallet 1165 mm length by 1165 mm width with a height of 1600 mm and a total weight of 1200 kilograms. Yes. Load center B is less than 915 millimeters. 1200 kilograms is less than the maximum capacity of 6130 kilograms.